Assalamu alaikum everyone. So let's do a very small Bitcoin update today, and for this one let's start from scratch one more time and let's show you some finding that I think is going to be interesting to you. So first of all, the 4-hour time frame here is this is how the 4-hour time frame looks like, and it almost feels as if we're continuing to have one very big distribution going on in here for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin previously has failed to cross this resistance, so it actually mentioned this on the private as well, that you're just coming up here, but it does look like you are about to get some rejection, and that rejection did actually happen as well. Now what you have actually made so far is the following. So I can actually take the trend line and place the trend line like so, and the second thing is to take the trend line again, and perhaps we can actually put the trend line just like that, right? And this looks really perfect because support and resistances are being respected. If we zoom in here a little bit, you can see that this is where the support and resistance is going on. You got your touch, you got another touch in here. This has been respected 2 times, and also for the 3rd time as well. And if you just go on and you see at the resistance, this has been the failure for Bitcoin, and then it went down. So the data actually suggests that thing, and then we continue on and on and on, and then you got that support again right down there and a move back up to that resistance again. So basically Bitcoin is following a particular sideways movement right now, so almost like a parallel channel in here, which is a sideways market consolidation. There are so many ways you can even actually put this trend line, the lower trend line, but I'll actually leave it as it is. So what can happen here are 2 things. Either Bitcoin can actually start to go back up to nearly 109,083 one more time, or it can actually drop down to maybe 99,000 to that trend line, right? So pump to the resistance, or just drop down to the lower support. Now start to imagine what can happen. Try to take a stand. But right now, one hint is maybe just maybe Bitcoin is going to drop down, and the hint here is a pattern where you went down like this and you made a flag, right? A bear flag, and it makes sense. So if it was to drop, this bear flag technical target, we take it from top to bottom and we place it. Now that's going to be 99,694, and it makes a lot of sense because if you drop down here, it just exactly drops down to that particular support line that we have. So it makes a lot of sense. And that's it for the quick update on Bitcoin today. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.